What a beautiful day it is! Now that I've got the Ampley on DVD, now I can finally watch it! Don't you watch it? Wait, what? I said don't you watch it. It has a scary logo called the Warner Home Video, and if it's scary, trust me. Oh my gosh, it's a ghost in a mask. So you are telling me there is a Warner Home Video logo that is going to scare me? Just watch and see it for yourself. Oh, okay. I just must take a closer look at the back. Let me see. What? Just put this freaking disc in the HP player and watch it. Fine. Okay. There we go. Now, that's gonna be how scary this logo is going to be. Okay? And I hope it doesn't scare me. Hey, is that a freebie warning screen? Pretty cool, wasn't it? What? What's that sound? Oh my gosh! Please, no! Ah! I told you!